Ooh, yummy. Not messy yet. Evan.
Let's go, buddy. Hey. Do 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 do.
Are you swallowing it? Where's it going? It's going to rice cereal land, not in your belly.
Let's go to the back of his mouth. He's like, it'll come back in a second. You'll see where I was hiding it. Hey, buddy, stop looking at the floor, or I'm going to have to tilt this chair up.
Yummy. I know it really doesn't taste good. It's yucky. But we'll pretend it tastes good. It looks like it tastes good, huh? You got it all over. And what does your bib say? It says, spit happens. So true.
Is it little toesies?
Hi, little toesies. Okay. Let's do a little bit more. Well, it went somewhere. Didn't it? It went somewhere. I know that face is just, he's like, this just tastes nasty. Oh, that's good. Oh, that one went somewhere too. Is it just collecting in your cheeks? Are you talking to us? Say good morning.
I'm trying to get you to sit up, buddy.
Say good morning. Say good morning.
That's the best defense I can run.
Can't go anywhere, huh, buddy? Swallow it. Ooh, that's so good.
He's like, it's not good. You already tried it.
I know, it is not good. I did try it, and it is very yucky. It's definitely not good cereal. It's going in somewhere.
Uh-oh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Not that.
Sitting in our bumbo. Enjoying some yucky rice cereal. Honey,
Evan,
this
what are
should
you doing, bud?
stick to your ribs,
What are you
baby.
doing, buddy? Really? This is going to give us a whole new experience with changing your diaper.
It might be green.
Yeah, I know. Good times, huh? Here it comes. Open up that crazy mouth. Oh, there you go. There's a smile. Yep, spit it out.
Whoa, there. This is fun. Are you having fun? Some of it's going in, and some of it is just being worn. I don't think he's doing too bad with the spoon, do you? I mean, you know, he's 3 months old, but look at that tongue.
Oh, there we go.
Yep, yep, yep,
Come
yep.
on, buddy. Pretty soon you gotta start using a spoon yourself.
Pretty soon. No,
This is
he's
getting
not.
crazy.
He's gonna start grabbing that spoon and slinging it everywhere.
Whoa, watch out, headbutt boy. It's tasteless, but
It actually is not tasteless. It tastes like yuck.
yep. Yeah, when you look back and say, "Wow, I like only bland foods. This is mommy's fault."
Mmm, Yummy. Yummy. Why don't you have Daddy try it?
You stuck me in this chair. My butt doesn't fit. And you try to give me this crap to eat.
It's paste.
I'm gonna get pissed off pretty soon.
It's paste. Whoa.
Buddy, this isn't fun. You're giving me more than I'm putting in.
Look at that little messy mouth. Oh, hello, messy mouth.
You want some toe tickling? Toe tickling, toe tickling.
Crazy little toesies. Crazy little toesies.
Hi, buddy, you hitting the wall? Are you done?
You gonna smile for Daddy?